said, okay, just give me sometimes. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. For today's videos, gagala ako guys. Meron akong pupuntahan na coffee shop. Medyo siya maganda at saka masarap daw doon kaya ito pupuntahan ko doon. Kaya on the way na ako pupunta doon sa coffee shop na yan, like 30 minutes. City centers guys, dala dito ako magkakape dito yan. Okay, I have your number. Grabe ang init dito sa Bahrain ngayon, sobra. Kaya mas gusto ko magmamall pag mga ganitong oras kasi sobrang kasagsagan ng init kaya talaga siya. Siyang San Sebastian cheesecake, red velvet. Ay, ang sarap nito, chocolate ganache, mixed berry cake, tapos meron din doon classic.
Some napkins for you.
Okay, thank you. Just give me some time and I will call you. Ito nga pala yung order ko guys. Chocolate ganache at saka ice latte, hazel. Kaya guys yan, try na natin. First bite. I-rate natin to 1 out of 10. Tingnan natin kung lasa. Isa pa. Ay, grabe, ang sarap guys. Kung i-rate ko to, siguro nasa 9.5. Sarap. Tapos ito naman yung ice latte nila, hazel. Hindi ko na masyado nilagyan ng kasi matamis na tong chocolate ganache. So hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng syrup para mas yung tamis niya isaktuhan lang siya. Pero try natin to. Pwede din. Nasa 8. Grabe ang sarap nito. Excuse me, sir. Is this your bestseller?
Yes. How
Because
does
this
it taste?
is very good.
Is you like it?
Yeah, I like
Very
it.
glad to hear, sir. Thank you so much. I'll come back to you, sir.
Okay.
I'll have a chat. Excuse me, sorry, you may have it. Yeah, this is really our bestseller, one of the best chocolate.
Very
It's
good.
chocolate
Yeah,
ganache.
it's perfect.
Oh, you love it. The ganache cream it is.
Yes, it's very
And
good.
how's your coffee, sir, with the hazelnut? The combination?
Yeah, it's good also, and I put only little syrup because I don't want too much sweet. Because already sweet, so this one it's only little.
It should be some coffee
Yes.
taste. Okay, that's great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate it, sir. Thank you, enjoy.
Ang masarap dito sa cake nila guys, hindi siya nakakaumay. Pagkakainin mo siya, parang gusto mo pa ulit kakain. Hindi kagaya ng ibang cake talagang kakain ka lang ng 3 or 4 or 5 subo. Nauumay ka na. Ito hindi talaga eh.
You have an iPad? Shall I get you the iPad?
I will just try because but it's loading. It's not working. I
My
don't know.
apologies. Are you connected with the mall Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
connected.
little slow, the mall Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So I think better I get you the
Okay,
iPad.
sure.
Okay. Yeah, here is that. Please. Thank you so much. Would like to have some recommendations?
Yes, I will just call you. Okay, and
Okay,
I'll say, okay, just give me some times. Gusto ko isang cappuccino, ma'am, tapos bill out na ako.
Cappuccino takeaway or
Pork dito.
or here? Hot cappuccino, sir.
Apo. Ang sarap niya nga eh, kasi yun siya eh. Oo. Kasi hindi siya nakakaumay kasi yung ibang cake parang sakto lang yung tamis niya eh. Kan
Ganda mo kung just
candy nard 3? Candy nard?
Sir, po sugar, sir.
Okay na naman. Thank you. Grabe guys, oh. Ang ganda oh. Pink. Ang sarap ng cappuccino nila. Okay.
If possible.
Can you make takeaway
Yeah,
yeah, It's
sure,
fine.
sure.
Because I have to go.
Yeah, sure. I will do it right now for you.
Thank you.
So this is your
Thank you.
enjoy.
Thank you so
if
much.
possible, please mention.
Okay. Ayan guys, tapos na ako. Kaya pauwi na ako. Ang ganda guys oh. Tapos tinake out ko na kasi busog na ako eh. Kaya yan, on the way na ako, pauwi na. So that's all for today's videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels for the next videos.